So I'm going to show you how to increase your returns without using your own money. So we're going to assume that you're buying a $400,000 investment property and you put all of your own money into this property, okay? You paid for the lot for cash, goes up 10% in 1 year, you've made $40,000, okay? The return on investment equation here means you've made 10%, okay, on your money. So if we come to the second equation here and we use the same scenario, but instead of buying the $400,000 property with our own money, we only put in 30 grand of our own money, grows 10%, we make 40,000. But the return on investment this time is 133% because you've only put $30,000 of your own money into it. That's the difference. Down here, if we use a scenario where you've only put $0 in, none of your own money, and you've used all bank funding to fund the property, and it goes up 10%. Again, you've made $40,000 in cash, but you basically made that money out of thin air because you haven't put any of your own money into it. But to get the return on investment calculation, we need to put $1 in to do that calculation. And on $1, it means that we've made 4 million% on that $1. So this is how you increase returns by not using your own cash, by